Hello everyone, here's a Sony HST-231 amplifier plus cassette tape disc player, and the disc player is not working. You put in the CD and you can't detect the CD at all. It just kind of goes through them all and it can't, it says usually no disc. So you'll have to open it up to have a look inside. With it open, you can have a better look at what's going on. You can see the CD goes, it kind of goes up, but it's not spinning, so it's not detecting the CD. Usually it has to detect it first. I looked at the laser head and I thought, well, I'll just order a new part here. So I got a new laser disc, laser head, and I flipped it over, and you can install the new laser head by removing the ribbon cable. Then there's this little metal bracket, and then if you pull up on the side, you can remove the actual plastic bezel that holds the laser head in there. So with that out, then at the bottom you'll have 4 screws which you can remove, and then after you have those 4 screws off, you can actually remove the metal casing. Now, to actually move the laser head, you have to push down the little plastic clip at the bottom, and then take out the shaft there, the metal piece, and then your laser head can be removed. Then you can replace it with the new laser head, just putting it in the same way. And I just left the metal shaft there so that we don't lose it. So you can push the metal pin through the holes again, and just make sure that the gears are lining up as well on the device there. Onto the plastic bezel, putting back those 4 screws, making sure it's fastened, and then putting it back. There's a little clip that you can just clip on the right hand side, and then make sure that you also have the data cable that you reconnect the ribbon cable. So with that all together, if your issue was the laser head, it should work. Mine did start spinning. It read it sometimes, but there's also some other issues. When it goes, it doesn't really spin. So what I did was I adjusted the height of the there's a little screw on that plastic thing there, and I adjusted the height so it wasn't scraping, but and I also oiled the motor so that it could spin more freely, but it still has some issues, and that's as far as I can go right now. If anyone else knows a potential solution, you can leave it in the comments below.